Hey guys, it's the Tech Center here with another short tutorial, and today we're going to talk about AppleScripting. So AppleScript is on your Mac. It's called AppleScript Editor or AppleScript, depends on which kind of version you have. And I'm going to show you some few commands. So the first command is display dialog. Display dialog will just pop up a little window and will display dialog. So you write display dialog, and in quotes you're going to write what you want to write. So I'll write hello. And then when I compile that and run it, it says hello, okay, cancel, and there's no actions for it. Now as you notice, the buttons were cancel and okay. If I want to change those buttons, I'll write buttons and then make a little squiggly quotation thing. And then in quotes, write whatever I want to say. So I'll say okay, and close the quotes, comma, open quotes, I don't know, yeah, close quotes, and then close the brackets. If I compile that and run it, I have hello, okay, yeah, there's my two buttons, there's no actions for it. If I want to have a default button, well, I'm just going to write default. And then button 2. Run that. So button 2 is highlighted, so I just can hit enter. If I do button 1, it's pretty much the same thing, just different button. The next thing we're going to learn is actually using a dialog. So I can choose here, dialog, 2 buttons, 2 actions. So what I'll use here, display the dialog, which application would you like to use? Question mark. Compile that, and obviously it's correct. My buttons are going to be Safari and let's say TextEdit. There we go. Compile that, and so far it runs. So now if I press Safari, nothing happens. Press TextEdit, nothing happens. And for this, I don't want the default button, so I'm not going to have one. Now, if the button returned of the result is, I'm going to put in Safari first, because I usually do my first button first. And make sure you spell it the same. I'm going to write tell, this is a tell clause, tell application, and then in quotes, Safari activate, and then I gotta remember and tell. Now if you start off with a tell, you always have to end with a tell. Compile that, and that works. So now if I do that, it'll open Safari for me. Quit that. If I want to open a special website on Safari, I'll do the same thing. Tell application Safari, activate, open location, and then in quotes www.google.com, and close those quotes. Compile that, run that, Safari, and it opens Google for me. And enter. The other thing is for TextEdit. It's pretty much the same thing. Again, a tell clause, application quotes text edit activate and tell. Now if I do that, that compiles, and I open TextEdit, well, yeah, it'll open TextEdit, and yeah, if I want to have text edit, to write something in text edit without actually writing it, I'll go activate. After activate, I'll do keystroke. Actually, before keystroke, I have to write tell application system events keystroke. Then here I can have whatever I want. Hello, this is the tech center. Close that. Then again, and tell. So now I have a tell clause inside of a tell. There we go. So I run that, I use text edit, and writes for me, hello, this is the tech center. Quit that, don't save. So that's pretty much it. Now some other simple things, code if you want to call it, for AppleScript is say. And here again, just write say, then write whatever you want to say. Hello. Compile that, and run that.
Hello.
Does it for you. Another very simple thing is beep. Compile that, run, just makes the beep sound. Another thing that we can use is delay. And then after you write delay, you can enter whatever number of seconds you want. So I'm going to do 3 seconds, and then beep, delay, 3 seconds again, beep, beep. Compile that. So delay 3 seconds, beep, delay 3 seconds, and beep. So that's it, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.